Uh, right, everyone see. So here is, yes, I am writing modulus of A minus B is equal to even number. What is the ABR? AB are the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A and B are belonging to A comma B belonging to the A set. A comma B belonging to the A set. This is the given relation. What they are telling the first part is 1, 3, 5 itself is related according to the definition. First I will take 1, 3, 5. Apply the definition. So apply the definition for 135. So 13 I am taking, 13 I am taking. Its difference. Apply the modulus of 1 minus 3 is equal to modulus of minus 2. Modulus make the even number. Yes, this is the correct. Next, one more element we can take. So 1, 5 we can take, 1, 5 we can take. So this is the 1 minus 5 is equal to modulus of minus 4. That is the plus 4 is equal to even number. Is it correct? So 1, 3, 5. Next, 3, 5 take, 3, 5 take, 3, 5 take. So 3, 5 is the modulus of 3 minus 5 is equal to modulus of minus 2. That is equal to 2 is the even number. Okay, na? So 1, 3 I will take, and 1, 5 I will take, and 3, 5 I will take. So all are getting the even number. Therefore, these numbers are related to itself. These numbers are related to itself. 1 and 3, 5. These three are obeying the above definition. So these three are obeying the above definition. Therefore, these are itself related elements. Okay, na? So therefore, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Are related to each other, related to each other. Okay, na? Related to each other. Next, 2 comma 4, another set is given. 2 comma 4 take. What about this one? See, so I take 2 and 4 set elements. So now modulus of 2 minus 4, its value is the modulus of minus 2 is equal to 2 is the even number. These two elements also following the same rule. Therefore, 2 comma 4 are also related to each other, are related to each other, related to each other. Okay, na? So these elements also related means following the relation rule. So 2 comma 4 also following the relation rule. 1, 3, 5 also following the related means relation rule. Okay, na? Relation rule. And 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4. Yes. Now everyone see. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4 related or not related or see. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 related or not related or observe. 1, 2 difference is 1, 2 difference is odd number, not a even number. It is not belonging to the relation, not belonging to the relation. Therefore, everyone observe 1 comma 2 according to the definition 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is equal to modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1 is an odd number. Therefore, it is not belonging to the relation. It is not belonging to the relation. I will take here only. I will write. Now see, 1 comma 2 I will take. 1 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Reason is modulus of 1 minus 2 will become as a odd number. So, but relation is a even number. But relation is a even number. So this is not in the relation. It is not in the relation. Odd number we are getting. Therefore, it is not in the relation. Is it clear, everyone? So 135 and 24 are not related. 135 to, but itself is related. 135 itself related, 24 itself related, but both are not related. Okay, na? Both are not related. Okay, na? So now write down 135 and 24 are not related. Are not related. Okay, na? Because of it is not obeying the relation, even number is not getting. Even number is not getting. Network band with less or yes. Network is the less, correct. So right side is not seeing sir. Now you can see right side is seeing na. Now seeing the right side. Today network is a very less summer. I'm also feeling lot. Now see right side also seeing na everyone. Right side also seeing na. Right. Right side also everyone seeing na. Clear. Now okay sir. Yes sir. Okay na. Right. Right. Ninth problem, second bit. Go through the ninth problem, second bit. Ninth problem, second bit. Ninth problem, second bit. R is the relation. Set builder form. Set builder form is only writing on remaining same order pace R we have. And A is equal to B. A is equal to B. The not only A and B. A B order pair, B C, C A, and C D, D E, E F. Number of order pairs we have. So for all AB belongs to A. AB belongs to A. Right. Everyone work out reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. First, second bit. Very slow, sir. Basuraj, is it correct, Amar? Basuraj, I am accepting. Not my network. This is the college network. Right. Now see. Okay, na? Now the network keys, I will observe what happened. The network keys. Now it is clear. Okay. Everyone see. So second bit workout, Amma. Everyone work out fast. Reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. We can observe. Reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Fast, everyone. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Everyone observe and work out. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Everyone work out. Reflexive, write down. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation, write down. Reflexive relation. If A comma A belongs to R, for all A belongs to A set. Yes, this is the, sir, there is no, what is the, what you are telling? The ninth main first one you did not teach, sir. And now where we have now only completed a ninth first one, modulus of A minus B. I am telling eighth one, first one not completed. Right. Ninth one, first one. Sorry. Ninth one, first one. Right. First write down. Ninth one, first one. Ninth first one. Ninth first one. A minus B. Right. Write down. Sorry. Ninth first one. Write down. Everyone. Ninth first one. Ninth first one, R is equal to A comma B is a set builder form. Modulus of A minus B, modulus of A minus B is a multiple of, is a multiple of 4, is a multiple of 4, is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 set is given by Z. So Z means it is the A set is given. A set is the all the elements of integers. A set is the all the integers, but that integer must be lies between 0 to 12 only. 0 to 12 only. Positive elements. Right. Work out everyone. First prove the relation of the reflexium. Right. Everyone see. I will prove A comma A belongs to R by the definition modulus of A minus A value is 0. 0 is divisible by any number. 0 is divisible by any number, or 0 is a multiple of any number. So 0 is a multiple of any number. Therefore, 0 is a multiple of any number. 0 is a multiple of any number. Right. 0 is a multiple of any number. Therefore, it is a reflexive. So, therefore, reflexive. Therefore, reflexive. Now, write down the symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. First definition, write down a symmetric relation. First write down definition. If A comma B belongs to R, that implies B comma A belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to A set. For all A comma B belongs to A set. Is it clear? Now see this. For all A comma B belongs to R, by the definition, modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Okay, na? Is a multiple of 4. Very carefully observe. Now I will take minus is common, B minus A. Under modulus, I will take minus is common. It cannot be changed. Is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. This only I will change. I will take minus is common under the modulus. Minus will make the modulus as a positive. Therefore, modulus of B minus A is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Okay, na? That implies B comma A also belongs to R. B comma A belongs to R. A comma B also belongs to R. Its reverse order also belongs to R. Therefore, symmetric. Therefore, symmetric relation. Symmetric. Transitive, write down everyone. Write down transitive relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation, write down. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C, so B comma C also in the same set. The set is the set builder form. Only one letter will give. Remaining all are following like that one only. B comma C belonging to R. We have to show that first and last one belongs to R. Then only transitive. Then only transitive. Right. Everyone take first A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. By the definition, modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Okay, na? Next, for all B comma C belongs to R, modulus of B minus C is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. So now see, 3 into 4 is the multiple of 4. That is the 12. So 12 is the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay, na? 12 also multiple of 4. And 5 into 4, 7 into 4 is also 28 also multiple of 4. By adding these two, so that is the 28 plus 12. What is the value? Is the 40 also multiple of 4. 40 also multiple of 4. By adding these two, we get the multiple of 4 only. Okay, na? So now adding these two, equation 1 and equation 2, I am adding. So first one is the multiple of 4 and second one also multiple of 4. By adding these two, again addition also multiple of 4. Addition also multiple of 4. Okay, na? Multiple of 4. Now write down. So 1 plus 2, that is modulus of A minus B plus modulus of B minus C is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Okay, na? So modulus of A plus B, we can write modulus of A plus modulus of B. Modulus of A plus B, we can write modulus of A plus modulus of B. Okay, na? Right. In the same way, now it should be add both modulus of A minus B plus B minus C is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. B cancel. Modulus of A minus C is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. That implies A comma C belongs to R. Therefore, transitive. Write down. Therefore, transitive. Therefore, transitive. Same model, fast we go through the second bit. Everyone go through the second bit fast. Multiple is the 12 is the multiple of 3 into 4. So it is a multiple of 4. 12 is a multiple of 4. Okay, na? Right, see. 28 is the 7 into 4. It is also multiple of 4. So 12 also multiple of 4. 28 also multiple of 4. Add these two. 40 is also multiple of 4. 10 into 4. 40 also multiple of 4. By adding, it will also multiple of 4. Example I will tell. So 12 is the multiple of 4. 28 is the multiple of 4. Okay, na? 28 is also multiple of 4. Okay, na? So, okay, na? Now by adding, it is also multiple of 4. Here is C. Here is C. Now, A and B difference is the multiple of 4. So now see, A is a 28 minus 12. It's different. 28 also multiple of 4. 12 also multiple of 4. Difference write down, Amma. What is the difference is? So difference is, now we can, this is the multiple of 4. What is the difference? We can write down, Amma. Difference is, here is the 6 and here 16 is also multiple of 4. Reverse order write down, 12 minus 28. So that is the minus of 16. So is equal to 16 is also multiple of 4. Reverse also, one number is a multiple of 4 means its reverse also multiple of 4. How difference is? Now I will tell now. See, 28 minus 12, 16 is a multiple of 4. Reverse order write down. 12 minus 28. What is the 12 minus 28? Is the minus 16 under modulus is the plus 16. Is also multiple of 4. Is also multiple of 4. We take any numbers. Any numbers we can take. Any number we can take. But both are multiples of 4 numbers. Both are multiple of 4 numbers. Yes, this is the symmetry. Both are multiples of 4 number. Any example we can take, it will satisfy. Any examples we can take. Okay, na? Any example. This problem symmetric, you say, sir, yes, symmetric. This problem is the symmetric, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive also. 3 will be satisfied. Okay, na? 3 will be satisfied. Right, go through the second bit, ninth problem, second bit fast. Ninth problem, second bit, A comma B. Here is the A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Right, A is equal to B for all A comma B belongs to R. Now first A comma B belongs to A. First everyone write down reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First we can write down reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Reflexive, transitive and symmetric. First we can write down. Baswaraj, 2 members we can take. Their difference also same multiple of 4. Any example we can take. Any example we can take. So now see, 20 minus 12. What is the value? Is the 8. Okay, na? 8 also multiple of 4. 20 also multiple of 4. 12 also multiple of 4. The difference is also multiple of 4. Reverse order write down. 12 minus 20 modulus of minus 8 plus 8 only. It is also multiple of 4. It is also multiple of 4. Is it clear? Right. First everyone write down reflexive. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Now see the reflexive relation is if A comma A belongs to R, for all A belongs to capital A. Now see. So now here is for all A comma A, meaning is A and E is equal to A, correct? A comma A means A comma B. A and B are equal. Therefore, A comma A and A are equal. Both are equal. Na? So, equal means reflexive. Okay, na? Reflexive. Therefore, reflexive. Right. Symmetric, write down. Symmetric relation, write down. Symmetric relation. First definition. A comma B belongs to R. That implies B comma A belongs to R. Okay, na? Right. For all A comma B belongs to A. Now see, for all A comma B belongs to R means definition is A is equal to B. A is equal to B means B is equal to A na? B is equal to A na? Not a B is equal to A na? B is equal to A na? B is equal, not a na? B is equal to A na? B is equal, not equal to A na? So B is equal to A mean, now write down reverse order, B is equal to A. Therefore, B comma A also belongs to R. Therefore, symmetric relation. Therefore, symmetric relation. Okay, na? A is equal to B means B is equal to A. Both are equal na. Therefore, it is a symmetric relation. Right, transitive relation, right down. Transitive relation. Take three numbers we can take for transitive relation. A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. That implies A comma C belongs to R. Now write down. First we can prove by the definition A comma B belongs to R means A is equal to B, equation number 1. Next, for all B comma C belongs to R means by the relation definition B and C also equal. From 1 and 2, tell me, Amma, A is equal to B, B is equal to C means what is the equal is? A is equal to C. Okay, na? From 1 and 2, write down. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So A is equal to C. That implies A comma C belongs to R. Therefore, transitive. Therefore, transitive. So all are equal means what is the meaning is the equivalence relation.